Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making okra gel for detangling our hair as a prepoo before you wash your hair. So first things first, you have to get your okra, or is it called okra? Any of them, I'm just going to draw the spelling right there on the screen. So you have to rinse your okra. So this is me just rinsing it out. Then next I got my pot. Then I'm slicing the okra with my knife directly into the pot because I'm going to boil it in that same pot. I'm going to boil it there. So next I just added water, the right quantity of water that will match the quantity of okra. And this is it all done. I've boiled it already. So this is the consistency. This is what it's looking like when it's boiled. Then I have to grab a cloth to sieve it. So this is the cloth. Then next I'm pouring it into the cloth that I'll use to strain it out. So this is just me squeezing out the gel from the shaft, like the okra now it's not like shaft. So this is the gel. So next I have to apply it on my hair as a detangler. So this is my hair. I already took down my braids, so just put it in this chunky twist. So I'm using this as a detangler on my hair, and also like a pre-poo before I'm going to wash my hair. So you can see the definition is given, like you can see the curls it's given. So this is just me dropping the benefits of okra for the hair growth, for your scalp health. You can also make your personal research on the benefits, the advantage, the disadvantage. It's best when you're trying to use any ingredients. When it comes to natural ingredients on your hair, you need to really make your personal research on it before you use it on your hair. So what I just did, I just applied it all through my hair and used my comb to comb my hair, starting from the tip to the roots of my hair. So here I'm all done applying it on my hair. The next I just covered my hair for like 30 minutes with my shower cap. The next I just went ahead to wash my hair. That's all. Bye.